Let's make this simple, easy palmnut soup. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. We make cooking recipes, easy ones. And if you're interested, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free and welcome. So I have my good meat here. I've seasoned it very well, okay? Yes. Now I have my palm nut puree. I added some hot water to it, let it stay so that everything or any particles can settle under it. Okay, now I'm pouring it to my pudding, so you can use any pudding that you want. Okay, just look at that dirty thing you are seeing or particles that you are seeing, so I will just discard that and then we are good to go. I'm going to leave this on fire. If you are my returning subscriber or follower, thank you so much for watching my videos all the time, and thank you for being here today. I do appreciate your time. I don't take it for granted. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes to it and then add anything that I'm supposed to add. Okay, I will go ahead and then add some carrots, add my onions. Okay, a lot of onions makes your palmnut soup taste so good. Now the tomatoes and the onions with the distant carrots are all ready or cooked. I'll go ahead and remove it and then blend it and add it to the soup bag. If you are still with me here, thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it and I don't take it for granted. You did not see the onion because I have cooked onion already, okay, behind the camera, and I added it to those ingredients. So that is what I've added to the soup. I will then go ahead and add my catfish that I smoked at home. That is what you are seeing. I will add that and then I will add the next ingredient very soon. Now I'll go ahead and give this a stir and then allow the catfish to enter the soup very well. Adding catfish to your palmnut soup, oh my goodness, takes it to the next level. Okay, at this moment I will add my seasoning. Whenever you talk about seasoning, some people think you are talking about shrimp tablet, fish tablet, or maybe beef tablet, but no, seasoning is anything that adds flavor and taste to your food. It can be natural herbs and spice, it can be salt, it can be pepper. Okay, so I've added my natural herbs and spice blend. I'll go ahead and give it a stir. Now I will add my garden eggs, okro, and then wait for a while. I'm not going to add any salt or anything that will add taste to my soup again because my meat is already tasting good and I seasoned my meat with pepper, so I am not going to add any pepper to the soup as well. Now after some few minutes, about 20 minutes, our soup looks very good and I can't wait to show you how it looks now. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks. When your soup is ready, you're going to see oil on top. And now I'll go ahead and add my smoked beef that I made at home. I have the video on my all social media platforms. Okay, it was a short video. Now I'll wait for a while and then our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. Do not forget to love yourself first and take care of yourself and then eat healthy. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye.